911 emergency service. What's your emergency?
My house is on fire.
Okay, can you please tell me your address?
Alice Garden Floor 230 호계 북구 울산.
And what's on fire?
My floor is on fire.
Is there everyone safely out of the house?
No, my sister and I stuck inside.
Are there any pets and animals inside the house?
Yes, I have fish and snails.
Okay, I'm sending 2 fire trucks to your location right now. Can you tell me if there are any hazardous materials in the house?
I don't think so.
Alright, car and wait for the fire truck to arrive.
Well done. Okay, good.